Introducing the compact key duplication and cutting machine, Miracle A9 Nova. Introducing the product specifications. Introducing the standard enclosed package included with product purchase. The standard package comes with a tablet stand included. Inside the standard package, various accessories such as a power cable and USB cable are enclosed in a single package. The package includes a tablet stand and fixing bolts to secure the tablet stand, with a total of 5 bolts including 1 spare. Next is the cover handle to be attached to the front safety cover. The cover handle comes with a total of 3 bolts including 1 spare bolt. Included are a brush, 2 decoder tool blades, 2 Endmill tool blades, 1 setting bar, 1 space bar, 2 mood bolts, 1 stop bar, 1 tool stand for storing tools, 1 T-wrench, a 15-centimeter metal ruler, 1 set of support brackets with 5 mounting bolts, a 24-volt 6-amp DC adapter, 1 USB cable, 1 power cable, 1 grounding cable with 2 bolts, and 1 HU66 adapter, a special adapter for creating HU66 keys. Next, we will guide you through several components that users must install themselves before using the A9 Nova. Attaching the front cover handle. Please attach the handle to the front cover. To prevent damage during shipping, the handle is delivered separately. Prepare the handle, 2 fixing bolts, and the T-wrench in the order shown on the screen. Locate the 2 holes in the center of the front cover, lift the front cover upward, and attach the handle. Use the included T-wrench to fasten or loosen the screws for securing the front handle. Lift the front cover upward and secure the handle on the outside. Be careful not to fasten it on the inside. Use the included T-wrench to fasten or loosen the screws for securing the front handle. Two, installing the tablet stand. Align the stand with the bolt holes located on its sides. Use the included bolts to secure the left and right sides of the stand. The bottom screw fixes the stand's angle, while the top screw secures its axis. Prepare the 4 included bolts, T-wrench, and 1 tablet holder. After positioning the holder, first fasten the bolts on the top left and right. Adjust the angle of the holder to your preference, then fasten the bolts to secure the adjusted angle. Once secured, gently shake the holder by hand to check that it doesn't wobble. Side bracket installation. Using the support bracket, BP95, included in the package, you can securely fix the Miracle A9 Nova to high movement areas such as shelves or vehicles. This bracket is not a mandatory component and can be used depending on the user's device environment. With the 4 included bolts, you can attach the brackets to the left and right sides. When using the brackets, make sure the top and bottom orientation is not reversed during installation. How to get the software and setting it up. In this session, we will guide you through Codemaster 4, which controls the A9 Nova. Codemaster 4 supports applications on Windows OS, as well as tablets and mobile devices running Android OS. Both the mobile and tablet applications can be used in the same way. How to download Codemaster 4 on Android. Go to the Google Play Store and type Codemaster 4 in the search bar. Once you find the matching icon as shown on the screen, download the app. How to install Codemaster 4 for Windows OS users. Go to the Microsoft Store and type Codemaster 4 in the search bar. Once you find the matching icon as shown on the screen, install the app. Device Setup Process and Interface Guide. How to connect via Bluetooth. First open Codemaster 4 app. Check left side, Moon button. Click Connect button. Press the Scan Device button located below to search for the device to connect. If Bluetooth scan doesn't work, check your device setting to allow Bluetooth for the Codemaster 4 app. This feature allows you to scan for nearby devices. Tap the one labeled Miracle A9 Nova to connect via Bluetooth. After connecting to Miracle A9 Nova, you'll be taken to the main page. Check the device name and image shown there. How to change language settings. Click the Settings tab from the main screen, tap the Setup icon at the top right, then tap Info at the bottom of the main settings screen to view the app information. Click the Language Change icon. You can select English, Korean, Japanese, Spanish, or Portuguese based on your preference. Click the language you wish to switch to, and it will change to that language. How to change unit settings. Change units. In the main Setup tab, at the top of the unit section on the bottom right, you can select either millimeter or inch units based on your preference tab, or click the unit you want to switch to in order to change it. How to check version information and update history. From the main Settings tab, tap the Info icon located at the bottom. Application information. You can check various details such as the installed version, history of Codemaster 4, the serial code of the connected device manufacturing history, DB update records. How to set up app lock settings. How to set up the lock. The Codemaster 4 application allows users to set an app lock based on their preference. In the main setup window, tap the password located at the bottom left to set a passcode. The password must be entered twice identically to complete the setup. How to disable app lock. Just like setting the app lock, tap the password icon in the main setup window, then enter the previously set password to disable the app lock. Image scan decoding process. During the key decoding process, you can use the photo icon located at the bottom to import a horizontally taken image of the key into the device and duplicate the key data without needing the physical key. If the physical key is available, you can also take a photo of it using the camera and duplicate the key data. Setting the machine up USB cable connection guide. Check the connector orientation of the USB cable to be used with the PC, then connect it. Power cable connection guide. After confirming the position that matches the 24-volt DC power terminal port, connect the power cable. After confirming the position that matches the 24-volt DC power terminal port, connect the power cable. Connect the power cable to the outlet. Check if the emergency switch is activated, and if it is, turn it to the left to release it. Then press the power switch located on the right side to turn on the power. Guide to installing the Decoder tool and Endmill tool. Install the T60E20 Endmill tool blade that was included on the right side. Insert the Endmill tool blade vertically all the way in, then use the T-wrench to turn the hex screw and secure the tool blade. Install the Decoder tool blade included in the package into the area located on the left side when facing the front of the engraving machine. When replacing the Decoder or Endmill tool blade, it is recommended to perform tool length origin calibration after the replacement. Please refer to the origin calibration guide session for this process. Decoder and Endmill tool length measurement, origin calibration guide. Tool length measurement 1. On the main screen, click the top menu tab 2. From the open menu, select the settings tab. You can see the measurement being taken at the upper right of the clamp, where the decoder blade is mounted, located on the left side when facing the front of the engraving machine. Cutting tools are also measured in the same way by selecting cutter length measurement displayed on the screen. From the setup main screen, select the tool blade length measurement option located on the far right. Cutter and decoder distance calibration. Before using a new clamp, be sure to set the 0 point in advance. Before measuring the 0 point of each clamp, make sure to first perform the distance measurement between the decoder and the Endmill. The distance between the decoder and the Endmill is pre-measured before product shipment, so remeasurement is not necessary. If the distance between the decoder and the Endmill cutter is remeasured, the 0 point for all clamps must be remeasured. When automatically measuring the distance between the decoder and the Endmill cutter, be sure to replace the Endmill with the decoder. Clamp 0 point calibration cannot be performed with the Endmill. Instructions for securing and releasing the vise. Instructions for securing the vise. Check the bottom direction of the vise to be secured, then align and secure it to the fixture. After mounting the vise, turn the red lever located at the front to secure the clamp so that it does not move. If the lever is caught at the bottom and cannot be rotated, pull the red handle forward and reposition only the lever handle in the desired rotation direction. Instructions for releasing the vise. Turn the red lever in the opposite direction of securing the vise. Then move the clamp to the right to release the vise. Securing the Sidewinder key. When securing the laser key, first fix the stop bar, CP91, at the position indicated on the screen. Then, push the laser key toward the bottom left to align it with the stop bar and secure it. After securing, remove the stop bar from the clamp. When securing the key, make sure the front part of the key does not lift and align it horizontally before securing. Double-sided key decoding, duplication, and key cutting guide. Secure the double-sided key in the area located at the upper left of the dual clamp. When securing the double-sided key, use the clamp jaw located at the top of the left handle to press the key vertically and horizontally secure the double-sided key to be duplicated. Decoding the key to be duplicated. Once the material is secured, press the decoding icon displayed on the screen to decode the key using the decoder cutting tool. Fix the new key to be processed in the same way as the decoded key by using the stopper and turning the left handle to secure the material with the clamp jaw. Make sure the clamp jaw is properly secured in a level position. If everything is correct, remove the used stopper from the clamp. Dimple key decoding, duplication, and key cutting guide. Decoding and processing dimple keys is not possible with the standard decoder and Endmill tools used for double-sided and laser keys. Replace them with the T60P10D decoder tool and the Vcutter 1.2mm T60D C12 cutting tool, specifically designed for dimple key processing. After replacing the decoder tool and Vcutter blade for dimple keys, both tools must be recalibrated by measuring the tool length to reset the origin point of the installed tools. Finding key data for processing, click the dimple icon on the main screen. Search for the same manufacturer and vehicle model as the key to be processed. Even if the key type is the same dimple key, its shape may vary depending on the manufacturer and model, so please make sure to find the correct data. If the data is not listed in Codemaster 4, you can input the IC card/code number obtained from Instacode to retrieve the vehicle model data for the specific year. Press the icon labeled Code to search the Instacode number and retrieve new key data information. If no results are found, please check the data number or the internet connection of the device running Codemaster 4. Cutting the key after decoding. After decoding, check if the decoded numbers match, then secure the new key to be duplicated in the clamp and press the red cut icon in Codemaster 4 to start key cutting. Just like in the decoding process, the key is measured by the decoding probe sensor, then the tool is changed to the Endmill to begin engraving. Engraving the key surface. Replace the tool blade with the dedicated Vcutter T60MC0045. Next, change to the key marking clamp instead of the dual clamp. When securing the key to be engraved, make sure the head of the key faces the user and the end of the key is positioned inside the device. From the main screen of Codemaster 4, tap the engraving icon located at the top left to move to the engraving design window.